Hi there. My name is Arjun Ranjit. I am a product designer and architect. So I love Formula One. And it's not just because of the speed or how cool the cars look, but rather the innovation and technology and the sheer brilliance of engineering that goes into it. And seeing this has always made me want to integrate technology into my own products. But I just didn't know how to get it done because I'm a person who doesn't have that much experience when it comes to engineering or any technical aspects with computers. So I'm sure you guys have seen Transformers or at least heard about it. Those cool looking robots that come in movies and cartoons. So watching that made me think, why not take up a robotics class and see how it goes? And to my luck, I came across DCS Robotics. So over here at DCS, it's been a wonderful experience. The teachers really know the topics really well and they take the time to get the information across. I must say, initially I was a little worried on how much I'd be able to understand because of all the new words that were coming in, such as Arduino, microcontrollers, and Pico. But within a few days itself, that thought just went away and I got the confidence and I knew this is worth it. So I think it's been like 2 months since I've started learning Arduino and Python, and I'm already thinking of what to learn next. So if you want to learn anything related to robotics or programming, DCS Robotics is the place for you.